How to view log chats on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, we will launch WhatsApp. Log into your account. To view log chats, you have to scroll from top to the bottom of the screen and you will find the option of log chats. We don't have now. In order to log any chats, tap and hold that particular chat and tap three dots at top right corner. Tap log chat and tap continue button. Enter your login screen password and the chat will be logged. You can see it at top of the screen. Tap log chats and enter your login screen password and here you will see all your log chats on WhatsApp. That's all. I hope this video worked for you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.